And for the merciful use the master death and last master life. Dear viewers, who are you? I hope you will be safe and sound. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel that name is Rasa. You will get a lot of information about the channels. I hope in future you will support me and you will like, share, and subscribe my all videos. Thanks. Today my topic is practice of present perfect continuous tense. I want to explain the mixing sentence with for or since. मैं 2 घंटे से खाना खाता रहा। क्या मैं 2 घंटे से खाता रहा हूँ? मैं 2 घंटे से खाना नहीं खाता रहा हूँ। So, हम सुबह से नाश्ता करते रहे। क्या हम सुबह से नाश्ता करते रहे? मैं 2 घंटे से खाना खाता रहा हूँ। I have been eating meal for 2 hours. क्या मैं 2 घंटे से खाना खाता रहा हूँ? You will use have in the start of the sentence. Have I been eating meal for 2 hours? मैं 2 घंटे से खाना नहीं खाता रहा हूँ। I have not been eating meal for 2 hours. हम सुबह से नाश्ता करते रहे हैं। We have been taking our breakfast since morning. क्या हम सुबह से नाश्ता करते रहे हैं? You will use have in the start of the sentence. Have we been taking our breakfast since morning? You will use the symbol of the interrogative sentence. So I hope in the final, please pray for the people of the Palestine and Kashmir. I hope you will do this after your Tahajjud prayers every day. Jazakallah, thank you.